Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the screw that fixes the left button. Remove the wire harness sleeve. Disconnect the terminal of the left button. Remove the left button. Align the raised part with the groove to connect the terminal. Install the wiring harness sleeve. Insert the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the left button. First, preliminarily tighten the fixing screw of the left button. Adjust the left button to an appropriate position. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the battery.